Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to install Adblock on your web browser. So first we open our Google Chrome. We go to Google and search for Adblock extension for Chrome. And we see the Chrome google.com has Adblocker Plus, free ad blocker, but we can add some ad blocker too. This is the Adblock Plus. This is the Adblock. So we can install the Adblock Plus if we want. So we have the extension here and the web store. So we do add it to our web browser and it turns to be here now. It was installed. It has some good features for all the pages, for YouTube too, and it says if you want you can just pay with credit cards some amount of money for them to sponsor them, but if you want you can do it. So we just pin it here and we see it. So to test it we can try with YouTube and see what happened if we open the video. So these are the videos that shows to me this time, and we see here that it stops like for advertise. So on this page it blocks 4 items on YouTube. So we open one of this and we see how much it will now. Not showing here the advertising, so it gives me 5. If we wait sometimes it will show another advertisement. So we can find this extension here to 3 dots. We go to more tools and to extension. We see it here. We can deactivate it or we can remove it if we want. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. So if I do a refresh here, it will show me some like advertise of the Google, some ads here. But if I go and activate it, if I do the refresh, it will say to me that nothing will be shown here, like 8 items are blocked in this page. So if you like it, thank you very much, and just like, share and subscribe. Thank you, bye.